chatting away with an AI avatar of an influencer you follow or even your favorite celebrity. Meta bets big on the future of digital doppelgangers. Will we get our own AI twins on social media soon, and would that be cool or creepy? What is Meta's plan? AI chatbots are ubiquitous in social media nowadays, and Meta tries to become the leader of the pack. In late September 2023, they started testing celebrity-inspired chatbots in cooperation with superstars like rapper Snoop Dogg, tennis player Naomi Osaka and model Kendall Jenner. Unfortunately, the feature is only available in the US at the moment. Now, last week, Mark Zuckerberg said in an interview that Meta is testing AI personas with around 50 influencers. The social media creators generate digital versions of themselves with the help of Meta's beta feature AI Studio. These avatars can then be used to produce photo or video content, or they pop up in chat windows on Messenger, Instagram, or even WhatsApp. Well, there's no information on whether normal users like you and I will be able to create online twins like that anytime soon, but Meta for sure wants us to be able to create our own chatbots. Plans for that have been announced last year already. I, for one, would really appreciate a digital doppelganger that steps in for me during lengthy work calls. How about you? But jokes aside, what are the downsides of AI doppelgangers? Meta specifically rolled out celebrity-inspired chatbots instead of celebrity chatbots. So the real Tom Brady, Paris Hilton and other merely impersonate characters on Instagram's AI chat. They even have fictional names like Brew or Amber. There's a good reason for that. AI models are far from perfect. They make mistakes, sometimes grave ones. Imagine the publicity fallout for Naomi Osaka if a chatbot representing her started to use racial slurs, or if an AI version of the basketball star Chris Paul recommended a diet of stones to kids. These kinds of mishaps did take place with AI chatbots in the past, and there's no guarantee they won't happen in the future. In that regard, the influencers running the test phase with Meta are real guinea pigs. Apart from that, creating more content more easily with the help of AI might sound convenient, but what would that do to the real person's credibility? Mark Zuckerberg said that all content produced with AI Studio will be labeled as made with AI. Nevertheless, the line between real and fake online is getting more and more blurry, and do you think interacting with AI will still be appealing once the novelty has worn off? Then there's the question if the image-creating technology will really be convincing enough. Apple introduced live personas for its Vision Pro VR headset last year. The internet's most common verdict: creepy as hell. And last but not least, where does all the data for Meta's AI come from? The answer for that is pretty simple. Right now, from over 3 billion people worldwide that use Meta's services or platforms. Meta is pretty transparent on that. Everything you post publicly, comments, photos, videos, can be used to train the AI, according to the company's latest terms and conditions. And there is no way to opt out. One big exception is the EU, though. Due to strict European data privacy laws, Meta has stalled its AI efforts for the time being. And it seems like other regions in the world are not okay with Meta's approach either. On July the 2nd, Brazil's Data Protection Authority announced that it has decided to temporarily ban Meta from processing personal data to train their AI. To be fair, for its ambitious plans to be useful for us and to be convincing, Meta needs tons of data. But if you ask me, Meta, which does not have the best track record when it comes to handling user data, to put it mildly, should at least let users opt out of their massive data collection plans. What do you think?